VEVOR asked me to take a look at this product and make this short video, so let's take it out of the box and check it out. Putting this together took less than 10 minutes. It's very basic, just a few bolts. Most of it's already assembled. Really cool setup here. You've got a drink holder here. There's a little ridge here, so if you have a laptop on it, the laptop won't slide off because you can tilt up using this little lever here, this angled desktop, so that you can use your tablet, use your laptop, whatever, on an angle. Very easy to adjust that to exactly where you want it to be. Such a nice movement with it. And then the height of the table also comes up and down with a hydraulic, or actually like a pressurized thing here. So if I flick this lever here, it comes up. And then with a little pressure, you can take it back down. So you can get to the proper height that you need for the table as you're using it here. So yeah, really flexible. I really love how that is so easy to use. It's got rolling feet on the bottom, but they're very low profile, so they won't bounce around and just slides around very easily, but with stability. These rollers just move in this direction here, so this won't slide out from under the bed without some effort. So once you get it in place, it's really easy to use, super convenient. If you're eating a meal, watching TV, working in bed, reading, you can lay your books here, your computer, whatever you want to do. So overall, I'm really impressed. Another great product here from VEVOR. Hope this helps. Hope you have a great day.